The light condition is not favorable. So at 15 I have marked the dot and using the edge I have aligned the edge of roll and draw. And now here I am drawing a faint line as my reference line, which later on I will convert into a center line. So here first of all I need to draw a vertical line, so I require omega 4590 set square. Omega 4590 set square. You have it? Yeah. Appear is to draw a vertical line now. So I have aligned the 90-degree line with the axis or center line. I have drawn a faint line. Now I will use this line to draw 48 mm line. 48. So I will take this point and 24 mm aligned. 24 mm. Total will be 48. So I have started with 0 and I stopped at 48 mm. Along this I need 30 mm points. 30 mm means 15 mm from either side. So this is 0 and this is 30. So 48, 24, 24 on either side. Then by shifting 15 mm on either side, 0 and 30. Now I need to draw a horizontal line. What do? I have already drawn a vertical line. I will align with this and I need to draw a line which is 15 mm in this direction. 15 mm. I will draw faint lines and then measure 15 mm. I have drawn faint line here. Another faint line I will draw and then measure 15 mm. If you have roll and draw, the things become much easier. If you have roll, yes, you have it. I will use roll and draw now. So what I will do is I will measure the distances from this line. So I am aligning 0 of this roller and I am aligning XY axis or axis, you can say, center line. I have shifted this. I am going to draw 15 mm line now. 15 mm line. Likewise, over here I repeat 15 mm line. Then I need to draw a vertical line that is 60 mm in diameter. 60. So I will align 30 mm line on center line and I will complete 0 to 60 extensions only, not the central part. So at 30 I have aligned this and I am going to join these 2 points which are at 15 mm. So here I have drawn this part towards 0 and this part towards 60. Okay. Next I am required to draw a 15 mm horizontal line now. 15 mm horizontal line. Again I align it and from 15 mm to 30 mm I will draw a line. I will draw another line from 15 to 30. Then the next diameter is 80 mm. 80. So I will join these 2 ends and I will see that 40 mm line aligns with center line. So total will be 80. So 40 mm I have aligned at center. I am going to join these 2 points. So over here till 0 and here till 80. Okay. Now next step is to draw 20 mm horizontal. Total is 50, of which 15, 15, 30 I have already drawn. Remaining 20 mm I will draw now. So from 30 mm till 50 mm.
बंद करा था छोटे छोटे
I need to check if it is 80 mm.
Draw any inclined line of
Yes, it's 80 mm. Now I join these points.
From point P.
So my outline is done. Now the next step is to draw horizontal lines worth 38 mm and then complete that rectangle. So I'll align center line and roller with 0 over here.
12.5 centimeter and line
Now here 38 mm horizontal line will be drawn.
12 centimeter.
38 mm here also.
Line PQ is 12.56 centimeter and line PR 12 centimeter.
I will join these two lines.
We have taken the line PR 12 centimeter before we made 12 equal parts of it.
The next step is to mark 54 mm here. So 27 on either side. So I have aligned 27 mm here. And 54. Now I will join these points.
Line PR natural 12 equal parts का कितने प्रत्येक part 1 सेंटीमीटर
My task is over. I will have to draw a center line now. Just remove the wrapper. To check if the dimensions are correct. For example, the total distance is 50 mm. This horizontal length is 38 mm. Now it's a little wrong. It appears to be almost 39 and 40, in between 39 and 40.
This line PQ is 12.56 centimeter.
So I think I will have to erase this one and make correction. Dimensions need to be exactly 38.
When it is 12.56.
Even this is more than 50 mm. I will have to correct it. 38, and likewise here can I take 38 mm. So this is okay. Now 50 mm. Total distance should be 50 mm here. Likewise here also it should be 50 mm. And I need to join.
One point I have already won.
Along these points again I need to mark 27, that is 54. This is the point. mm and 0. I have aligned 27 mm here. I will join these points.
Okay, line point P is 1 point. Line is 12.
And this one. I will join this line as well.
And the last. Okay, join the point P.
Okay. Now let us check dimensions once again. 50. This is 38. This one is 12 mm. This is 80 mm. The inner one 60. Next is 48. And this inner one is 30. So now the dimensions are accurate. The next step is to go for hatching or drawing section lines. I will use 45, 45, 90 set square. I will align center line with roller, or I can use a scale as well, no issue. What I will do is I will roll this down and then I will slide this and draw the section lines. Will it be possible for you to draw section lines, or should I show it?
No.
You are aware of section lines? Those
Yes.
need to be uniformly spaced, not short nor extending beyond boundaries. While drawing this portion, you need to see that suppose you draw a line here, it should align with this one. So on either side. And how to draw center line? Center line will exceed this object by at least 3 to 4 mm. So I will draw a center line here. And as regards dimension, you already know how do we do the dimensioning. Okay, so this is how